Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Your Tech. Today in this video we're going to apply dbrand skin on my Note 8. So just before I started this video I noticed that there is a hairline crack. It looks like a scratch but it's actually a crack. So I don't know how this happened. I usually use a case on my phone, but it's a very minor crack in the back glass. So it just happens that I was going to apply a skin on it and it will cover the crack up pretty nicely, I hope so. So let's take a look at this. I've ordered this from dbrand. They shipped it from Canada itself. They are Canada based, and I've ordered the dragon skin. So this is the packing it comes in. Earlier the dbrand packing was a little different, but now they have changed their packing. It looks really nice. If you want to have a close-up look, it's like robots, doing something. So let's open it up. So let's see. Okay, okay, I've got two packages. So this is what I had ordered, the dragon skin black color, and they have sent me a few more. Okay. Okay, so I guess they want me to review these, so they have added these to my order. Okay, thanks a lot dbrand. Robot 069, review these nuts too. Okay, I will. So let's take a look what extra they have sent first. So this is the carbon fiber black color. This is green color carbon fiber, I guess. And all these will be there on their websites. You can take a look. This is, I think, the marble. I really like this one also. And this is the camo, I think. Yeah. So you can check these out on the website. And this is what I had ordered. Thanks again dbrand for sending these in. So this is the dragon skin which I had originally ordered, but now that they've sent these, I don't know which one to apply. So I think I'll go with the camo. I like that one. So let's apply the camo dbrand skin. I'll keep all of these aside. So usually these skins come with a microfiber cloth, but I don't know, it's not included in the pack that I have received. But in the past I have received it. So I'll just use mine. So this is the phone. I suggest that you switch it off because we will need a hairdryer. We'll heat up the phone to apply this. And I usually use these Zeiss lens cleaning wipes and wipe the phone before I start. So wash your hands and sit in a clean area. Let's clean the phone first, especially the edges. I am pretty sad about this crack on the back glass, but what to do? Phones these days are made of glass, most of them, and they do crack very easily. This is the first time my phone has broken, so I'm not very happy about it. So the phone looks pretty clean. You can see some scratches over here also. Let's apply the camera skin first. Just pull it out. So even in the dbrand's tutorial video, they never show how to apply the camera skin. They usually make a joke out of it. You must check out their video on YouTube. So the camera skin is applied. I'll just put some pressure on it. So the camera skin is applied. It was pretty easy. And now we will apply the back skin. So I'm going to follow the instructions which dbrand tells on their website, and pull the skin off and apply it like this. Okay, so somewhat like this, and then align it with the phone's camera lens. So I'm gonna take it a bit closer over here. So we have to check the alignment at the top of the phone. So it's not completely covering the phone on the bottom, so we'll have to remove the top part again and then realign it. So the bottom part, to check it, we have to lift the phone and check whether it covers the glass and does not cover the metal of the phone. So I guess it's almost, so in this side it is overlapping on the metal of the phone, so we'll have to realign it. So we have to pull it and push it a bit this side. So now the edges are just on the glass, so we will just press it lightly. As you can see, it's resting only on the glass, it's not going on the metal body on both the sides. So now we can pull this paper out. So after pulling the paper out, we will just heat the edges and then adapt the skin to the phone. So do one side at a time. Take a microfiber cloth and rub it. Let's do the other side. So rub your microfiber cloth on the edge 15-20 times. That should smoothen the edges. And the installation of the dbrand cameo skin is complete. So check it out guys, it's complete. I think it looks really nice, and I think I've done an okay job. Maybe there's a slight gap over here, but at the bottom it is with the phone glass itself. So over here maybe half of an mm I should have gone higher. But on the edges everything is fine. It's covering the glass, even on the other side. And this is the overall look. It does provide quite a good grip. It has this texture which will increase the grip. Obviously it's going to protect you from scratches, and even the glass of the lens is going to be protected from scratches. And overall I really love the look of this cameo skin. So this is what the cameo skin looks like, which I have just applied, and this is what a dragon skin would look like. If you want to give your phone a marble look, this is what it is. Carbon fiber is my all-time favorite, but I used it on my Note 5, so I don't really want to reapply it on this phone. And this is a green carbon fiber, if any of you like the green color. So do let me know which one do you like the most out of it. Do you like the camo skin which I have applied? Then you can order it from dbrand themselves. They ship all over the world and the shipping rates are pretty reasonable. And I paid around $10 for the skin and $5 shipping in Canada, but they have worldwide shipping also, which is quite reasonable. And these are different colors which are available. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you liked it, hit the like button. Do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.